everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn any photo into an abstract sketch using Canva. First, just open Canva and then create a new design, and then just upload the photo that you want to turn into an abstract sketch. And then next, just go to Elements, and then just search for Crayan Scribble, this one like this. And then just choose the scribble that you like. For example, I will choose this one, and then you can also change the color that you like, for example like this. And then next, just duplicate the scribble and start arranging it to follow the pose and shape of the photo like this. Just keep duplicating and adjusting the elements until the whole photo shape is covered like this. For example like this. And once everything looks good, just select all these scribble elements and group them together like this. Like this and like this. Your abstract sketch is done. It's simple, creative, and super easy to make in Canva. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.